Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to remove the Discover section in Google Chrome. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to delete or remove the Discover section in Google Chrome. Maybe because you think the news that you see in the Discover section are very inappropriate, or maybe it irritates you a lot. You think that you don't want the news because you're not interested into this. Or it could be any other reason for you to remove the Discover section in Google Chrome. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Google Chrome from Google Play Store or App Store, and if you have not installed it, then you can still install it. And once it gets installed, you just have to simply tap on its icon to open the Google Chrome. Once you click on Google Chrome, you will see its interface, and there you will see an option Discover, and under it you will see many different news. All these news are related to the things that are viral or getting trend in these days, and these appears as news on your feed. So if you're interested into them, you can watch them. But if you want to remove it, so what you have to do here is that you have to click on these three dots. These ones you have to click on it, and there few options will pop up. From these options you have to select this first option, settings. You just have to simply tap on this option and settings will open of the browser. At the top you will see its title, and there you will see many different options. So from all these options, if you look down, there we have an option in the yellow color which is Discover. Along with that, we have a button through which we can enable or disable it. So for that, what we have to do here is that if you want to remove the Discover section, you just have to simply click on this button, which is along with it this one. If you tap it, the Discover section will get deleted. So here I'll just get back, and there you can see right now we have the Discover section, and we will see how we can remove it. So again, click on these three dots, then click on settings, and there you will land into this page, and there we have this option Discover. You have to click on it and then click on done, and here you can see all the Discover section, or you could say the news has been deleted. So that's how you can also delete the Discover section in your mobile phone. You just have to get to the settings, and there you will see this option of Discover. If you want to enable it, you can enable it. Otherwise, if you click on it, it might get disabled. So it's all up to you. Whatever you prefer, you can go with it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can remove the Discover section in Google Chrome. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.